Hello, I'm mindfulness coach Pamela Dangelmaier, and I'm grateful to be guiding you in this 5-minute mindful sound meditation. Before we begin the mindful sound meditation, which will start at the sound of the bell, let us take a moment to recognize and honor the fact that we are taking this time to be present in this moment, acknowledging our efforts to go within, into our own lives, and to simply be. Settling into a comfortable position, either in a chair or seated on the floor, allowing the back to adopt an erect, dignified, and comfortable posture. If sitting in a chair, having feet flat on the floor, legs uncrossed. And now, I invite you to close your eyes, if that is comfortable for you. If you would prefer to keep your eyes open, then allowing your gaze to fall unfocused on the floor in front of you. Now very gently, bringing awareness to the tip of the nose, and as you breathe in, being aware that you are breathing in, and as you breathe out, being aware that you are breathing out, moment to moment, breath to breath. And now, bringing awareness to the ears and becoming aware of hearing, shifting awareness to the sounds that are present in this moment. Allowing sounds to come and go, from near or far, from without and within. Noticing any judgments or thoughts about the sounds, acknowledging these and gently letting them go. Hearing the sounds as the bare sounds themselves, without attempting to identify or label the sounds. Being aware that sounds arise and fade away, and noticing if there are any spaces between sounds. If your attention wanders or you fixate on a sound, gently returning attention to the present moment. Now shifting your attention back to breathing, just following the breath, the in-breath, the out-breath, the space in between. As we come to the end of this mindful sound meditation, let us congratulate ourselves for taking this time to be present. May we be at peace. May all beings be at peace.